Hello, I'm just making this video to show my appreciation and satisfaction for the amazing job that um, Pop on Veneers did. As you can see, I'm not proud of how my teeth have become, um, but with these, I guess what they did was they made these replicas of my teeth from molds that I made. And it was rather fast, and I guess they put them on like this, and they fit perfectly, on the replica. And so, of course, when I put them in my mouth, they literally fit like a glove. It's unbelievable. They don't come off unless you want them to come off. And look at the difference. I am so impressed, and my self-esteem level went from here to just up here. I'm just so happy. They even come with this cool case that you can put them in and look, in the mirror to see that you're done, and put them in right. You can actually chew with them if you want. I personally wouldn't, just because I don't want to mess them up at all. And they're such an amazing difference to my teeth before, and they did such a great job making them that I would buy these 100 times over. If these break or I lose them, I will be buying more, because they, like I said, they make me incredibly happy. My quality of life, as far as my mental part, is a lot better, because I can now smile in pictures. I'm not afraid to open my mouth and smile when friends are taking pictures. People, especially my ex, used to tell me that my teeth look stained because I used to dip all the time chewing tobacco, and I was really self-conscious, and now I'm just really grateful. So I have to say thank you so much, Pop on Veneers. You really have made my life so much better, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.